Welcome to Intelus and to the Duet platform. Duet's no-code approach enables non-machine learning experts to build document classifiers and entity extractors for their unstructured text data, starting with no-labeled data. Duet has a three-step process to build models. First, import your unlabeled data. Second, teach Duet the semantics of your model the way that you teach another human iteratively. Third, deploy your model. This video will show you how to deploy your model. When you finish building, teaching, and testing your customer support ticket triaging model, make it available to your client application by deploying it to a REST endpoint. Click the Publish tab at the top. In Duet, a deployment is a single model or a set of models that are made available via a REST API endpoint. The REST endpoint takes a single customer support ticket as input and produces a JSON response classifying the ticket into the proper category as output. All changes to your model from the most recent deployment, or all changes if you haven't yet made a single deployment, will be shown under the latest changes with the option to deploy. Before deploying, you can review your changes, just like you would when approving a new merge request in CI/CD for programming. Click Deploy. Enter the deployment name and the description. If this is the first time deploying the customer support ticket triaging model, deploy it on a new endpoint. If you've previously deployed the model, like we have here, and it's active on an existing endpoint, but you made new changes that you want to deploy, you can either deploy a new version on a new endpoint or replace the older version of the model on the same endpoint. Deploying the new version on a new endpoint can help you push the new version to your staging environment while keeping the older version in production. You can also do A/B testing for the new version compared to the old version. Replacing the existing version in production with the new version of the model will roll out the model updates to your production immediately without any discontinuity of service. With all this, Duet helps you build your model with AI in just a few hours.